Today we are diving into a treasure trove of remarkable deals, best $150 old flagship phones that prove you don't have to break the bank to enjoy premium features. These smartphones have weathered the test of the time and still offer a fantastic smartphone experience that won't put a dent in your wallet. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or simply on funds for incredible value, this video is your passport to tech excellence. Let's begin the journey. Kicking things off is the Galaxy Note 9. Released in 2018, this device boasts a gorgeous 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display that still holds its own today. Under the hood, you'll find either the Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810 chipset, depending on the region, along with 8 gigs of RAM. The S Pen adds an extra layer of productivity and creativity, while the dual camera system offers versatile photography capability. Moving on to the OnePlus 5T, launched in 2017. This phone boasts a sleek design and a 6.1-inch optic AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. The Snapdragon 835 and 6 gigs of RAM that ensures smooth multitasking. The 60MP plus 20MP dual camera setup captures sharp images, and Oxygen OS provides a clean, fast, and user-friendly experience. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 2 XL. Google's 2017 flagship shines with its 6.0-inch OLED display that is known for its vibrant color and deep black. The standard feature is undoubtedly its camera, a single 12.2MP lens that showcases Google's exceptional computational photography prowess. With its Snapdragon 835 processor and stock Android experience, performance and software updates are top-notch. Moving into the Apple realm, we have the iPhone 7 Plus. This 2016 iPhone is characterized by its dual camera setup, a 12MP wide and telephoto lens combination that offer optical zoom and portrait mode. The 810 Vision chip still provides a reliable performance, and the 5.5-inch Retina HD display delivers crisp visual. The iPhone ecosystem ensures seamless integration into other Apple devices. Finally, let's talk about the Galaxy S9 Plus, Samsung's 2018 flagship. Its 6.2 Super AMOLED display is a stunner, offering rich color and deep contrast. With a Snapdragon 485 or Exynos 9810 processor depending on the region and 6 gigs of RAM, this device can handle multitasking and demanding apps effortlessly. The dual aperture camera system adapts to different lighting conditions, ensuring impressive photography results. So there you have it, a detailed look at our top 5 best $150 old flagship phones that continue to shine till today, from the Galaxy Note 9 to the Galaxy S9 Plus. These devices prove the value and performance endure. So which one of these phones caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech insights. Thanks for joining us, and until the next time, let's celebrate the remarkable value of classic devices.